Today, I will show you one task na you will be working on as a funnel builder. Aside from making funnel, one task is also translating funnel. So, for example, this skin renew. Um, this is in German. So my task right now is to translate this into a Canadian funnel. So what you can do is go to Funnelish. I don't need to like discuss this navigation because I already done this from my previous video. Your company will have a template. You don't need to build everything from scratch. Pinahirapan ko lang kayo when I asked you to build your own portfolio using funnel from scratch. But at least you know how to do the basic in case may mga instances na kailangan mo mag-add ng sections sa client funnels niya. Alright, so ito yung template namin. So what you can do is copy a funnel and then continue. Then you need to change this to your new product's code name. So we have a code like for example CA428 and this is skin repair cream and then brand name is Skin Renew. And then done. Okay. So once done, and ganito na siya. So it's still from the old product. So I need to change everything. Okay. So first things first, you need to change this domain. This is the domain or the URL. To change that, you need to go to settings and then funnel domain. You need to choose your company link, and then since this is cloned by Jointees, the old funnel, automatic siya dyan. So as a funnel builder, you need to change this kasi hindi siya akma para sa new product mo. And masasabon kayo kapag hindi nyo na-change yan. That's important. And then you need also to change, I need to remove these numbers. To remove it, you can go to step settings and then remove the numbers, including this dash. Keep that because that's, wait, dapat wala na yan. Kasi German na tayo. I mean, Canadian store na tayo. Okay. Alright, so now, automatic na siya sa lahat. See, skin renew na. So what you're going to do is just to remove the numbers. And do it for all the geo pages. So it says danke, so that's thank you. So you can just, since it's English, you just need to do thank you. Or TY is fine. Just do TY then. Okay, here, this is upsell, so just do upsell. Here, another thank you. Okay, now it's done. You need to start editing. So to edit, we'll start with lander always and then pick edit. Then we start changing. So for the logo, no need to change. So we will just use this. Okay, so there are ways to upload an image. Either you download the image and then click mo yung logo existing, and dito sa image you just need to browse and then upload mo yung download mo. Change na siya. Or you can just do copy image address and then put it here. But I don't recommend that if you are copying from the competitor. Kasi, for example, dinilit na ng client ng competitor niya yung funnel. So, once deleted, the link is also not live. So, ang mangyayari, magko-corrupt yung image niya. So, always make sure to download and then upload it to your own Funnelish account. Okay, so since this is English, I'll just translate this. Mas madali mag-translate ng English. So since it's green, so we will use green. You know this extension already. Then, i-change lang natin kung ano yung green doon sa shots. Ayan. Oh, ba't green na lahat? Okay. Next, we just copy everything in English. So, ito yung pinakamadali because you already done this prior sa other markets niya. So, ito yung pinakamadali na work. I mean, na task if you're a funnel builder. But, mababa lang din yung sahod kasi they already pay you for the main funnel. So, sometimes, because dati pa kasi ako nagpa-funnel, I am managing right now funnel builders. So, I create funnels occasionally, but I'm not obliged to do so because I have a lot of managerial tasks on my plate. So, I will teach you how to build this as the main, how to build funnel na hindi lang translate kasi mas madugo yun. But at least you tried, you know which ones to click from here. And then this, for example, this is paragraph. And then you can change the background color here. And then itong tawag dito sa gilid is border. So, yung sa mga outer line, border tawag siya. So, dito siya sa border. Or what you can do is, saan yung may orange? Ayun. Palitan nyo na lang. Then, change all the bottom colors. Then, I'll change the words later. Ganito ako nag-work. I-mix ako na lahat. Ito by default, since black din dyan, no need to change. I always start with bottom. Okay, all buttons done. And here, that's red. Dark red. Okay. So, pag ganyan, hindi nyo mahanap kasi maliit. Instead of, di ba, dapat may color siya dyan. So, this, you can see it's paragraph. I'm not sure if you can see though, but, end ko na lang. Ayan. If you can see, pag-click ka dyan, dapat ang click ko is itong orange. But since paragraph siya, you can just click, I think, nasabi ko na to sa how to create your portfolio. In every section, merong row, and every row, merong element. So, the element is ito, paragraph. The element here is a paragraph. So, para hindi na kayo maduling kakahanap kung paano nyo i-click yung orange na yan. Kasi hindi ko din maklik eh. Tingnan nyo. So, what you can do is click kung ano yung maklik nyo and then click nyo yung row. Tapos niyan, lalabas na yung orange yan. Wala pa. Section pala siya. Kung wala sa row yung color, nasa section siya. See? Ayan na siya. Okay. And then, always save. Kasi nasa Philippines tayo. Yung internet natin hindi stable. Or, ewan ko sa inyo. But, kapag hindi nyo sinesave, mawawala yan. Pag nawala yung net. Kasi nagkukurap ako. Tapos meron pa ng isa. Alright, next to change is this color. And then, wala. So, it should be section. Ayan. Alright. Basta hanapin nyo lang yung may kaparehong color. Then you can change. Hindi kasi kayo pwede mag-practice ng Funnelish kasi may bayad siya. Or pwede pala, but you need to do free trial for 14 days nga lang. Tapos bago na papapalit na naman kayo ng account. Dati free lang to eh. Kaya portfolio ko dito ko ginawa. But ngayon, dadamot na nila. So again, pag hindi nyo mahanap yung same color dyan, you need to switch to section. Okay. I think here it's okay. So. Okay. Next, save. And then, let's change. Okay. So, tapos na ba yun? Dito. Okay, buttons. Order now. Okay, let's start with order na. Kasi dalawa yan sila. When you click buttons, ito yung headline. Kita ba? Malaki na yung screen. Kung saan nakita. Ayan. Ito yung headline. See? And then, ito yung sub-headline. Tinanggal ko yan. Ayan, mawawala yung text sa baba. So, change this. And copy this. Okay. Alright, next. So, Canadian. Oh. Okay. The price yung price kasi namin like same lang, but for if you would like to, if you are working with clients na, they will brief you naman kung ano yung dapat pricing, but as long as you know the basic how to do the task, you're good. Okay, next, copy paste lang. Okay, so let's do all the buttons na muna kasi para isang copy-paste na lang. Oops. Nasabi ko na ba magkano ang rate kapag ganito? I think, yeah. So, dati, I mean, may friend ako na I teach her how to do funnels before. And then, she's a funnel builder now. Sabi niya, ano daw, depende kasi yan sa client. Sabi niya, ano daw, wait, namumultitask ako. Sabi niya, $10 daw for translation. So, that's 600 na. And then, hindi siya pumayag. So, sabi ng client, sige, $12 na lang. Kasi, namimili na siya. Kasi, na-prove na kasi ng client niya na magaling siya. So, you need experience talaga. So again, in order to gain experience, mag-practice kayo. Okay, so hinuhuli ko na to kasi kailangan ko pa siyang i-translate. I mean, this. See, naka-German pa. So, kailangan ko talaga siya i-translate. And now, this. So, this is what I meant. See, may extra section siya na wala na dito. So, I had to build it from scratch. Bad trip. Or, I will look for gold or other funnels na merong ganun. Tapos, kukopyahin ko na lang. Wala. Ayokong gumawa from scratch. What I can do now is, let's see. Yeah, I have no choice. What I can do is, I'll go to the German one. Wait, save ko muna. Okay, so this is how you share a funnel. Kapag may mga instances na your client will ask you to share, or kapag may kinakausap niya yung Funnelish support, they will ask to share the link, shareable link. So, go to the funnel that you want to share, and then settings, and then click this. Okay? Once you copy that, bumalik kayo dun sa Ayan. Or sa any, if for any Chrome na, or yeah, any Chrome lang na may nakalagin, dapat nakalagin yung gusto nyong account na kailangan nyo yung funnel i-transfer. Make sense? Ang gulo ba? Kasi, since nasa CA na ako, click ko yan, and then, clone ko na siya. And then, andito na siya. When you go back, dalawa na. Meron akong CA, meron akong DE. So, what I can do, since tamad ako, let's get that asset. Yung review lang naman yung kulang. So, I will get this whole section. Ita-transfer ko sa kabila ng funnel ko. So, click that, and then, itong, kita ba? Maliit na, ito. Ayan, click ko siya. Save ko. Trustpilot. This is Trustpilot review. So, I'll just make a Trustpilot. Then, wala pa siyang asset group since bagong account lang to. CA. Wala pa siyang CA. Then, create asset. Okay, done. So, what I can do is refresh ko yung ginawa ko kanina. And then, I will add that. So, I think it's after here. So, to add section, either you can just drag section here. Add kung saan yung blue, baba mo siya dyan. Or, click mo dito, and then add section. It's the same anyway. So, what I can do is, since andito na siya sa, like, sinave ko na siya, makikita siya dyan sa asset. Hindi ko siya pwede. Okay. But, maybe, ganyan lang muna. Okay. So, I will look for my asset, and then, CA, andito na siya. I can just drag there. Ayan na siya. Translate na lang. Hopefully, mobile responsive siya para di ko na siya ulit. Ayun. Goods. So, now, translate na lang ulit. Ayun. Save. Kailangan ko siya i-preview para ma-translate to English ko siya agad. Hindi na ako mag-open ng translator. Oops. Iba yung font. So, I need to do it one by one. So, when you paste, kailangan yung i-control plus shift plus V para makopy na yung size ng existing eto. Kasi kapag kinopy nyo siya from here and then paste, minsan nag-iiba yung font. Malalaman nyo yun pag na-try nyo. Gumawa kayo ng Funnelish. Kahit 14 days trial lang. Yan na yun. Make sure to show up every day. So this is ads pala. Pinterest ads. See, andyan siya. So, you need to do Control Shift plus V. Okay. So, if you're a funnel builder, you need, or if you wanna be a VA, you need to have attention to detail. Okay? So, since Canada na yung market na to, you need to also change the flag. Okay? So, you need to look for Canada flag circle. Yeah. Yan, para believable naman. Okay? So, since para hindi na kayo upload na naman ganyan, you can just do is copy niyo yung link. Ito. Tapos, palitan niyo na lang. Oops. Kasi, tingnan nyo. Kapag dinelete or mali na yung link na kinakopy nyo, ganyan siya, corrupted siya. So, you need to make sure na nasa Funnelish nyo yung original file. Or basta, ano lang, yung sinabi ko na yung kanina. And then, alright, so now change this one. Okay. Okay, so I was looking for, because dapat kasi every funnel builders should have their folder with all the images that they use. But for a like para sa mga ganitong case, kapag kailangan namin ng original file, madali lang kami mag-translate. Or so if you're working as a funnel builder, it is important na isi-save nyo yung mga file nyo. Just in case, kailangan mag ganito, translate, mas madali na lang before. And then after. Ayan. Okay. So, since this is video, kailangan namin siyang, pwede naman save as GIF, but mas mabigat yung file niya. So, what we do is, save it as a video, and then, yun lang, current page. This is page 2. So, and then, I need to download. Tapos, punta kayo sa easy GIF. Yung pinakauna, upload nyo yung video. And then, it will turn into GIF. Alright, so one thing to note that dapat is under 4 MB. So this is fine. If not, you can optimize, but this is good, so I'll just save it now. And then here, to change this, to add, okay, change na lang muna. Need to delete this first. And then to add, just add. Hindi ko pala siya na download. Okay, it's uploaded, but it's not showing because you need to click first. Ayan na siya. Okay, and then what you need is the other extra images. So I'm not sure if I have those with me. I think I use AI for this. Okay, so let's do AI. Hello, ChatGPT. Okay, now while waiting, we can start changing. Bakit naka orange pa? Okay. Alright, so mobile is done except for the images, but since we have this ongoing, proceed na tayo sa the important part, which is mobile. Okay, so we have to change this pala, I forgot. So again, okay, so for mobile, since tapos na kayo sa desktop, you can just preview and then use that sa bakit. Ayan. Okay, change ko na lang yan since mobile naman. Okay. So you can just copy what you have here. Oops. Okay. So, kapag ganyan, since nag-iiba siya, kasi sa mobile, iba yung color namin tsaka sa desktop. So, you need to remove the background sa text. So, make it white or just transparent. Palitan ko muna yung color ng board. Okay, so you need to also check if ano talaga yung um, font size ng nasa mobile. Kasi magkaiba yan. Minsan, may mga clients na gusto 22 lang sa headline sa um, mobile, tas 27 or 25 sa desktop. So, you need to change. So, kapag kakopy mo, ayan, automatic, see 29 yung mobile, desktop namin. Automatic siyang lalaki. So, you need to double check what should be. Okay, so it's 26. You need to change every headline to match. Okay, now here. So again, attention to details kasi minsan nakakalimutan natin. See, may mga ibang ano pa. So so dapat nakafocus lang kayo. So yan yung problema ko sa mga builders namin. Lagi na lang paulit-ulit yung audit ko. Okay, so since this is responsive, no need to change na. That's good. Proceed na tayo. Let's balikan natin. Okay. Good, good, good. So, ano pa bang kailangan natin i-translate? Below. Ito. So, dati nahihirapan kami kasi like kina-canva namin to and then manually change everything. So, that's where we use AI, not to build our funnels, but just to help us make our lives easier. But don't rely on AI. To build everything for you, especially portfolio. See, okay, like this one. So, akala natin everything is responsive. Responsive meaning, kapag na-change mo na sa desktop, dapat change na siya sa mobile. But here, as you can see, naka-German pa. Okay, let's add those here. Tapos na siya. Ito bang kulay? Ito si Doktora. So to add images here, just click add. And then, hindi mo siya pwedeng, pwede na ngayon. Dati kasi pa isa-isa lang dapat eh. That's good though. Okay, so again, attention to detail. So since this is German doctor, no one would believe in Canada if German doctor siya. So you need to ask ChatGPT, make sure the doctor should be Canadian. Canadian. Okay, so I added, please change the name kasi kapag ganito lang, vague siya, meaning hindi siya clear for AI to understand. Baka kasi i-change niya yung mukha. So, be specific on what you want to change. That's the secret of prompting. Be as specific as much as possible. Okay, ito mas specific na siya. Binago niya. See, binago niya. But it's fine. It's fine. Acceptable pa man. See, ang OA, ito, mayroon pa siyang Canadian. Sige na lang. So, ito na lang. Okay, so while waiting, check on mobile if everything is updated. Eh, ba't pag-add pa ako? Dito naman na siya. Ito, color. Ano pa sa mobile yun? So, ito pa. Small details. Nakakalimutan niya madalas eh. Skin and all funnels using Funnelish have the same format lang din naman. Madalas. So, I'm reviewing it now. Just in case. Okay. Alright. All good sa desktop. Okay. So, I think it's done. Ano naman siguro na-miss. But we'll ask AI to audit later. So, next, we will translate the checkout. Okay, so for checkout, there are lots to change. Here and here. So, let's start with this. Okay, so when you are like translating funnel, you need to translate just everything, right? From the template. But right now, I'm deleting something because ako din naman nagde-decide ng template namin. So, I just decided to remove it to para mas madali. Satisfied customer na lang. Mm, okay. Okay, so here, change na lang mga footprints pa ng ibang product. Diba ang daming bantayan? Okay, so for you to change this, you can change it here. But what you can do is go back and here. Okay, so you need to change it here. So kailangan pala i-download. And then ito is automation. Mamaya na. Then you need to upload the 2x image. I didn't change the price because, like I said earlier, all of our prices are the same. So when you change all of that there, pag preview nyo, see, na-change na siya. Okay? So, almost set tayo dyan, except for, okay, let's go back. One important thing when you do funnel is that kapag ito, walang naka-assign na product, you can check sa product. Kapag walang naka-assign dyan, pagagalitan kayo. Kasi, walang makakapag-check out pag walang na-assign na product dyan. So, that's really important. You need to assign ito. So, as it says express delivery, so it should be express delivery. Okay? So, don't forget. Dito pala to. Now, thank you. Sa thank you, madalas logo na lang eh. So, see how it's very useful itong tool na to. Yan lang. No need to change. Here. Responsive. Okay. Yan lang sa thank you. Now, let's go to upsell. So, again, meron tayong dyan. But, oh, shucks, ang daming mali sa funnel namin. See how little things can mess up the funnel. Kaya kapag funnel builder ka, kailangan mo attention to detail. Like for example, upsell lang siya. Ito. See, iba pa. So, dapat ito 24 kasi 24 yung nandito. Okay? But then, 24 siya dyan. Pero kapag nakalagay dyan is 2,495, ang matcha-charge sa customer is 2,000 talaga. Buti na lang wala pang nag-a-upsell. Just me. Okay, so we're all good except for one thing. Automation. So when you create a funnel, you also need to know how to automate the funnels. So here, so dapat screen nyo din to. So you can go to Shopify. Kasi may Shopify pa rin, di ba? Okay, so make sure, kapag marami kayong store, make sure na nasa right account kayo. So here it says DE at T. So meaning that's German. So need to change to the right account. Okay. Now you need to add products to Shopify. Alam niyo na to. Diba? Okay. So what you can do is, or what I normally do is, dinuduplicate ko lang yung mga dati ng products. For example, yan. Oops, mali. And then change it to your name, skin ring. And then you need to add description. But depende sa client nyo, sa amin, since for the char lang yung Shopify namin, since full on Funnelish kami for tracking na lang sa mga orders, we don't really need to have ano, description. So ito, variants. Okay, done. Now, we also need to have upsell, right? So we need to have this extra. Okay, so for extra, normally, kasi mababa yung price niya kesa sa, in case may maligaw na customer sa website niyo, kailangan naka-unlist siya. Or depende pa rin sa client niyo. Pero sa amin kasi dapat naka-unlist. Unlist may meaning, kung wala siyang link, hindi niya makikita to. Okay, now that we have that, let's go back to Shopify. And open Funnelish. Thank you. Okay, here. So, we need to change this. This is also important. Huwag niyong kalimutan to kapag funnel builder na kayo. To change that, ganyan lang. And then, our bundling is 10, not 5. And then, quantity is 1 lang. So, 1 lang din dyan. And then, you connect the main product to kung ilang variant siya. So, this is 1x. So, ayan. And then, nag-change na siya. Okay? Save. So, this is Shopify connection. Automation. Okay? Now, next, do the same for every product na may upsell. And, so, 2 na naman siya. Kasi 2x na tayo. Next. Okay. So, kapag wala pala siyang ganyan, example, first talaga siya, ganyan siya. So, what you can do is create automation, then purchase, then continue, and then Shopify. Ayan na. Now, let's do the thank you page. Hindi ko pala na-change yung picture. That's why you have to review, guys. So, since this is extra, dun ka din sa extra mag-connect. Okay? Alright. So, balikan ko lang yung 3x. Baka hindi yun naka-10. Okay, 10 na. Alright, so we're pretty much done. Now, the last two steps are here. Okay, okay na siya. So, last one step is you need to connect to WeTrack. Meron kaming natawag na WeTrack.io. And then, all of your funnels should be here. Huwag niyong kalimutan yan or else masasabon na naman kayo kasi hindi natatrack ng ads kung saan galing ang sale pag wala siya dito. Okay? So, how you can add is, of course, you need to have a access. Okay? So, what you can do is add new funnel. So, sa funnel ID, go back to to make sure balik kayo ulit. Ayan, sa funnels. And then, ito na yung funnel nyo. Wait, DE yan, DE. That's not the one. Delete natin siya. Ito. So, don't worry na ganyan pa siya. Kahit skin-renew na siya kasi may latency talaga. So, when you click that, it's correct funnel. So, for funnel ID, you can get it here. So, minsan, yung tinuruan ko, ang nilagay niya is ito. But you cannot do that because when you change it to checkout, nag-iiba siya. Okay? The funnel ID is the one that is consistent. If you can see here, hindi siya nag-change. Okay? So, that's the one that you need to get. Okay, so funnel name, copy mo lang yung pangalan. Paste it here. By the way, you cannot practice this on your own kasi kailangan nyo talaga ng client. But it's pretty much easy. Ganito lang talaga lahat ng steps kapag sa WeTrack na. So, funnel domain is your domain. Ito, dapat first link, hindi yung sa checkout. First link. Okay. Now, depende sa client nyo, they will just tell you kung ano talaga yung kung anong time zone meron yung ad account. Yung ad account is yung ads. Okay? So, sa amin, it's London Bridge is falling down. Ayan. Continue. And then there, kung madalas meta ads kayo, but kami, Pinterest ads kami. So, it's pretty much the same though. See, same lang. So, let's do this right now. Add pixel. And then, you will always do use existing pixel. Kasi, ayan na yan siya. Okay? Ayan lang. And then, complete. And then, you're all good. So, translation will only take 1 hour. So, they probably pay you for that. Minsan talaga may nagpe-pay pa ng $10 lang. So, that's 600 ba? Oo, 600 isang oras. Kaya? But, like I've mentioned, yung friend ko, choosy na siya. Kaya niya na mag-work ng translation kahit $12. So, ayun. Okay na. Let me know if kaya pa ba. So, next video, we will make like funnel from like, for example, this German funnel. Let's do it from scratch. Kasi nga nagta-translate na tayo. What if you will make your own funnel? Okay? Let's do that next.